found on South America.
One common animal is the capybara.
Other animals is the iguana.
Our favorite animal is found on South America is the jaguar.
South America is in the hemisphere.
On the globe, South America is connected to North America.
Did you know oceans surround every continent?
The continent South America is surrounded by 3 oceans.
One ocean that surrounds it is the Pacific Ocean, just like the background.
The other ocean is the Atlantic Ocean.
To the wonderful landform of South America. South America is full of landforms. One landform is Andes Mountain. Another landform is Atacama Desert.
There are many plants on South America.
One common plant is the passiflora.
Another common plant is the cacao.
That's chocolate. Yummy chocolate. Our favorite plant on the continent is the giant water lily.
We have learned a lot of facts about South America.
Now it is time for fun facts.
Did you know South America holds the world record for the longest hot dog?
Also, did you know South America is home to the world, the largest snake, like just behind me?
We hope you learned a lot about South America. It's time to explore the amazing continent of Europe. Naomi, do you have anything to say?
Yes. Europe has lots of landforms like mountains.
It has lots of rivers and lakes.
Europe has lots of people and animals.
The Alps go through 5 different countries in Europe. Did you know that?
Do you have something to say?
Yes. Did you know oceans surround every continent?
The continent is Europe, surrounded by 2 oceans.
One ocean that surrounds it is the Atlantic Ocean.
The other ocean is the Arctic Ocean.
I am teaching you about Europe. And what is it?
On the globe, Europe is in the North Hemisphere. Europe is next to Asia. Europe is connected to Asia.
Europe is so amazing, so let's explore inside of Europe. One common plant is tulips. Do you have anything to say, Samantha?
Yes. Our favorite plant on the continent is olive trees.
Do you have anything to say, Cadence?
There are many forests in Europe too.
All about Europe. Europe has many common animals. One common animal are reindeers. They can be found in colder areas. Other common animals are
Foxes and squirrels.
and that's all about Europe.
Did you know that parts of Europe are cold because they are close to the Arctic Ocean? Do you have anything to say, Brayden?
Yes, there is over 40 countries in Europe, and there is a lot of people in Europe. And this is from Clarkdale Elementary. Bye.
Welcome to the wonderful continent of Africa.
Africa is full of landforms.
One landform on the continent is a desert called the Sahara Desert.
Another landform is a volcano. Many animals are found on Africa.
Another animal is lions. They chase zebras through the hot desert.
Another animal is a elephant. They roll in the mud.
Our favorite animal is elephants.
We hope you learned about animals in Africa.
Welcome to the amazing continent of Africa. There are many plants on Africa. One plant is an ebony tree. It grows in forests. Another common plant is fireball lily. It grows in grasslands. Our favorite plant is artichoke. It grows in the rainforest.
Welcome to Africa. Africa is in both northern and southern.
On the globe, Africa is next to Europe and Asia. Next to Europe and Asia.
Africa is next to two oceans.
Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean.
Learned a lot about Africa.
Now it's time for fun facts.
Did you know Africa is the second largest continent?
Also, did you know some of the world's fastest animals lives in Africa.
We hope you learned a lot about Africa. Welcome to the wonderful continent of Asia. Asia is filled of landforms. One landform on the continent is Mount Everest. It is the highest mountain on Earth. Its many landforms is deserts. Asia has hot and cold deserts. There are many plants on Asia.
Asia has many plants.
Asia also has rainforests like the one behind us.
Our favorite plant on the continent is bamboo.
Oceans surrounded every continent.
The continent Asia is surrounded by 3 oceans.
One ocean that surrounded it is the Arctic Ocean.
The other continent is the Indian Ocean.
The other ocean is the Pacific Ocean. On the globe, Asia is in the northern hemisphere.
On the globe, Asia is next to Europe and Africa.
Animals are found on Asia.
One common animal is a panda.
Other animals is tiger.
Or
No.
Our favorite animal is?
our favorite animal is
The red panda.
red panda.
We have learned a lot about Asia.
Now it's time for some fun facts.
Did you know people who live outside of the big cities in Asia can live in homes made of mud?
Also, did you know that animals cannot live in the Dead Sea because it's too salty?
We hope you learned a lot about Asia. There are many plants in on Australia. One common plant is honeybud. That sounds good. Another common plant is wattle. Wow, that sounds just like what penguins do. Our favorite plant on continent is banksia, as you can see behind us. You love food? I love food. Did you know Australian people eat burger rings? They also eat Vegemite. Which one would you try? I would try burger rings.
Many animals are found on Australia.
One common animal is an echidna.
Another animal is a koala. Did you know that a koala can eat eucalyptus leaves?
Our favorite animal found on Australia is a koala.
On the globe, Australia is in the southern hemisphere.
On the globe, Australia is next to Asia, Africa, and Antarctica.
Australia is an island. It does not touch any continent.
Did you know every continent is surrounded by every ocean?
The continent Australia is surrounded by 2 oceans.
One ocean is surrounded by the Indian Ocean.
The other ocean is the Pacific Ocean. It is the biggest ocean.
We have learned a lot about Australia. Now it is time for fun facts. Did you know that Australia has the Sydney Opera House? Also, did you know it has over 15,000 light bulbs? We hope you have learned a lot about Australia.
Welcome to the wonderful continent of Australia.
Australia is full of landforms.
One landform on the continent is a waterfall.
Another landform is a coast.
Welcome to the wonderful continent of Antarctica. Antarctica has a lot of landforms. One dry landform is the desert. Antarctica gets little water, but is almost covered completely in ice.
Many animals are found on Antarctica.
One common animal is the penguin. They both swim and eat fish.
Another animal on Antarctica is the seal. It also swims and eats fish.
Our favorite animal found on Antarctica is the orca.
On the globe, Antarctica is in the southern hemisphere. It does not touch other continents.
On the globe, Antarctica is all alone in the South Pole. The South Pole is much colder than the North Pole. Looking at the map, Antarctica is at the very bottom.
Did you know oceans surround every continent?
The continent Antarctica is surrounded by the Southern Ocean.
The only ocean that surrounded it is the Southern Ocean.
There is no other ocean which surrounds Antarctica.
There are many plants in Antarctica.
One common plant is algae, which is a type of bacteria.
Another common plant is moss.
Our favorite plant on the continent is algae.
You have learned a lot about Antarctica.
Now it is time for fun facts.
Did you know that no people live on Antarctica? They do visit the continent.
Also, did you know it has a wall called a ice sheet. The ice sheet is made of broken pieces of ice.
We hope you learned a lot about Antarctica.